Hey, it's Adam here from Intuitive Health Solutions. I'm going to teach you how to absorb healing energy from the sun. So, on a sunny day, it's probably best. What you want to do is you want to position yourself so you're facing the sun. So, with your eyes closed, look at the sun with your eyes closed, obviously. Feel it hit your forehead, and just feel like you expand your energy out, like you're reaching out to the sun, and just ask the sun, do you have a message for me? Then next, what you do is you just allow yourself to feel how the sun responds back to you with that question. And usually you'll feel quite calm and relaxed from that question. And then just say to yourself that I allow myself to absorb this message and all of the love from the sun. And then just take some deep breaths through that, just allowing that message and that love from the sun to flow through you with ease and grace. Just really embracing and feeling that. So what that does is it gets you into a theta brain state, and then the vitamin D from the sun that's produced has even a stronger, more nourishing effect on you. So that's how you can combine energy, healing, and medicine with the natural elements like the sun, which I'm just teaching you about here. So try that technique out. You can do it every single day if you like, and let me know how it makes you feel and how that affects your life. If you want to find out more information or connect with me, you can reach me at intuitivehealthsolutions.com.